Hey, Pete's Appeal here from Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens. We'd just like you to know that we have a lot of little things that need funding, things that aren't glamorous, but without your donations, this wouldn't be the place that you know and love. From the Botanical Gardens here, it's got 47 acres and a lot of dogs. We could really use your support for more of these poo bags, and these ain't cheap either. You know what else is expensive? Replacing all these trash cans. At over $300 a pop, it really adds up. Speaking of unglamorous things that we really need funding for, public restrooms. Thanks for thinking of us. Hope to see you again here soon.